I'm Review My RV, and every week we're throwing open the doors to the newest, most jaw-dropping motorhomes before they even hit the dealership lot. If it's fresh, innovative, and rev-ready, we're reviewing it. Let's dive in. Imagine waking up in the morning, stepping out of your bedroom, and instead of walking into your house, you walk into a luxury suite that just happens to be on wheels. Well, buckle up, because Rolls-Royce has officially decided that the road deserves the same level of luxury as their iconic sedans, and the upcoming 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home is shaping up to be the most astonishing traveling machine we've ever seen. Now, I know what you're thinking. Rolls-Royce Motor Home. Two words that don't usually live in the same sentence. But trust me when I say this, once you hear what they're working on, it'll make so much sense that you'll wonder why they didn't do it earlier. This thing isn't just a motorhome. It's more like a five-star hotel suite gliding across the highway with the grace of a yacht and the silence of a library. Let's start with the design, because that's the first thing that hits you. Rolls-Royce has always been about presence, and this motorhome has presence with a capital P. It has that signature Rolls-Royce stance, tall, confident, and unmistakably elegant. The front end still carries the iconic Pantheon grille, wide and vertical, with the Spirit of Ecstasy sitting proudly on top like she's surveying the open road ahead. And honestly, it looks even more dramatic on a vehicle of this size. The body lines are clean and smooth, almost like the surface of a luxury yacht, and instead of looking bulky, it looks sculpted, purposeful, almost aerodynamic, like it wants to glide more than it wants to drive. And speaking of gliding, this thing is packing a brand new hybrid powertrain that Rolls-Royce has been refining for years. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to throw boring technical jargon at you. Just know this, the hybrid system gives you silent takeoff, crazy smooth power delivery, and enough torque to pull this luxurious giant up steep hills without the engine ever sounding stressed. The idea is to maintain that famous Rolls-Royce experience, the magic carpet ride, even when you're far from a smooth city road. And yes, they actually tuned the suspension to handle light off-road travel. Not rock crawling. Obviously, this is a Rolls-Royce, not a desert buggy. With gravel trails, forest paths, countryside detours, it handles them with total elegance. Imagine taking this thing through a scenic mountain route while the suspension just absorbs everything underneath, like you're floating. And while a lot of motorhomes rattle and shake when you drive, the 2026 Rolls-Royce, it feels more stable than some regular houses. But the real magic, the true Rolls-Royce magic, is inside. The moment you step in, you forget you're in a motorhome. It feels like stepping into a luxury penthouse in London or Dubai. The interior designers used a mix of natural wood, buttery soft leather, and handcrafted metal accents. It looks like something out of an interior design magazine. There's ambient lighting everywhere, soft and customizable, and it gives the whole cabin a warm glow at night, like a boutique hotel on wheels. The living area is wide, open, and airy. There are plush sofas you can sink into, a smart entertainment setup, and these enormous panoramic windows that make the outside scenery feel like part of the room. During the day, sunlight floods in. At night, you get this cozy, intimate atmosphere that makes you want to curl up with a blanket and watch a movie or just enjoy the quiet. And then there's the bedroom. Rolls-Royce didn't just throw in some small mattress and call it a day. No, this is a full luxury bedroom with a proper bed that feels like it came straight out of a high-end resort. Soft pillows, premium linens, subtle lighting, and you can actually stretch out instead of folding yourself into a tiny corner like in most RVs. The bathroom, let's just say it makes most apartment bathrooms look outdated. Spacious shower, marble-style details, smart controls for temperature and lighting, and yes, even the water pressure is excellent. Rolls-Royce didn't want owners to feel like they were compromising anything by choosing life on the road. One of the coolest things, though, is the new retractable outdoor lounge. With the press of a button, the side of the motorhome extends and forms a shaded patio with built-in seating. Imagine parking by the beach or a lake, opening this up, and just chilling with a cup of coffee as the breeze rolls in. That's the kind of small detail that turns a motorhome into a lifestyle. Now, when people hear Rolls-Royce, the next thing they usually think of is price. And yes, this is not going to be cheap. We're talking somewhere in the ballpark of ultra-luxury pricing, definitely higher than traditional high-end motorhomes. But that's expected. Rolls-Royce isn't trying to compete with typical RV brands. They're creating a category of their own. This is for the traveler who wants absolute comfort, absolute quiet, and absolute quality while exploring the country. And the interesting thing is how it compares to past Rolls-Royce models. This is the first time the brand is embracing a large-scale touring lifestyle vehicle, but they're bringing decades of craftsmanship with them. The ride quality is straight from the Phantom playbook. The interior refinement feels like a blend of the Ghost and Cullinan vibes. And the exterior, honestly, looks like a Cullinan that had a growth spurt and then spent a year at a luxury spa. It's bold, it's elegant, and it still looks unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home isn't just transportation, it's an experience. It's for the person who wants to travel the world without giving up the luxury they're used to. Someone who doesn't just want to drive, they want to glide. Someone who doesn't want to stay in hotels, they want to bring the hotel with them in the highest quality possible. If you're someone who loves motorhomes, RVs, the open road, or even just luxury engineering, this is one of those vehicles you can't help but admire. Even if most of us will never own one, the idea of a Rolls-Royce taking on the world of motorhomes feels like a gentle reminder that travel can be beautiful. The journey can be peaceful, and comfort doesn't have to stay parked at home. So yeah, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home is going to turn some heads. Not because it's flashy, but because it represents a totally new kind of luxury on wheels. A quiet, elegant, powerful, rolling sanctuary. And honestly, I can't wait to see one on the road. If you love seeing the absolute newest motorhome technology and design, you need to be part of the Review My RV family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the open road.